This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the device is unlocked and updated. This reduces unexpected behavior. Next, open Settings and go straight to System or General Management, then Language and Input. You want to find Keyboards or Input Methods now. This is where Installed Keyboards live. Once done, tap the active keyboard entry to reveal details, because you need to know whether it's a system app or third-party. Make sure to note the keyboard's package or app name before proceeding so you can remove the correct item. Now you disable the keyboard as the default input method so the system uses a safe alternative. This prevents lock-in. Then open the keyboard's app info to revoke all permissions, network, full access, clipboard, because those are common data channels. After revoking, either uninstall the app or force stop and clear data if uninstall is blocked. Once the package is inactive, set your preferred trusted keyboard back as default. Confirm typing works. Make sure to reboot if the keyboard persists in memory. Finish by rebooting the device and verifying the untrusted keyboard no longer appears when choosing input methods. This confirms removal. If it still shows, reboot into safe mode to prevent third-party apps from running, then uninstall from App Info. As a last resort, backup important data and perform a factory reset, because that removes persistent system changes. If problems continue, consult a device technician. Factory reset is powerful but irreversible, so only choose it when other steps fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.